Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I would like to read an article entitled "What is flood insurance and what does it cover?" Flood insurance is sometimes required as a condition of your mortgage, but you may want to get it even if it's not. Many or all of the products features here are from our partners who compensate us. This may influence which product we write about and where and how the product appears on a page. However, this does not influence our evaluation. Our opinions are our own. Here is a list of our partners and here's how we make money. Here the takeaways. Most homeowners and renters policies won't cover flood damage, so those at risk need separate flood insurance. Flood insurance covers damage from scenarios such as heavy rainfall, overflowing bodies of water, and hurricane storm surge. Flood insurance pays to repair the structure of your home and replace damaged personal belongings. Most home insurance policies don't cover flood damage, which can cost you tens of thousands of dollars even if they are just an inch or two of water. But say your house is not on the coast or near a body of water, do you really need flood insurance? Unfortunately, extreme weather is becoming more common, and in recent years, floods have struck even areas not historically considered at risk. That's why you might want to consider adding flood coverage. Homeowners in high-risk areas often pay thousands of dollars per year for flood insurance, but the cost of coverage in a moderate to low-risk area could be less than your monthly cell phone bill. Here's what flood insurance covers and how to decide whether you should buy it. So what is flood insurance? Flood insurance is a type of property insurance that covers specific kind of water damage to your home and belongings. The nation's biggest flood insurance providers, the National Flood Insurance Program or NFIP, defines flooding as an excess of water on land that is normally dry. Flood insurance covers scenarios such as a river, lake, or bay that overflows its banks, a hurricane storm surge, a heavy downpour that accumulates faster than it can drain, a mud flow. Homeowners, condo renters, and mobile home insurance policies generally don't cover flood damage. So, if your home is at risk of flooding, you will usually need to buy this coverage separately. Nerdy tip: although they won't cover flood damage, homeowners and renters policies do cover some types of water damage. Examples include bursts, pipes, and appliances that suddenly spring a leak. What does flood insurance cover? Two types of flood insurance are available from the NFIP, each with a separate deductibles, building and contents. Building coverage. Building coverage is insurance for the structure of your home. It's similar to dwelling coverage on a homeowner's policy. It pays for flood damage to things like electrical and plumbing system, water heaters, furnaces, foundation walls, built-in appliances and cabinets, permanently installed carpets, detached garages, full and well water tanks. The NFIP offers building coverage up to $250,000. Contents coverage, like personal property coverage on a homeowner or renter policy, contents coverage pays for damage to your belongings. On an NFIP policy, this includes clothing, furniture, electronics, original artwork, curtains, washers, dryer, and microwaves, portable air conditioner. The NFIP covers your stuff of an actual cash value basis. This means that if you file a flood insurance claim, your payout will reflect what your belongings were worth at the time of the flood. Here's an example. If flood waters damage your 15-year-old recliner beyond repair, your policy will pay enough to buy a used recliner of similar age and quality, not enough for a new one. Multiply this type of gap by every items in your home, and you may find that your insurance payout is not nearly enough to replace what you lost. NFIP policies offer up to $100,000 of contents coverage. Flood insurance coverage beyond the NFIP. You may be able to get broader coverage and higher limits by buying flood insurance through companies that don't work with the NFIP. For example, Neptune offers building coverage up to $4 million and contents coverage up to $500,000. Learn more about private flood insurance. What doesn't flood insurance cover? The standard of NFIP policy won't pay for certain expenses including some water damage. The NFIP pays for damage only when naturally occurring flooding affects at least 2 acres and 2 properties. That means it won't cover scenarios such as an overflowing bathtub that floods your bathroom. Your homeowner's insurance may cover that problem. Damage to certain parts of your home. The NFIP won't pay your flood damage to any of the following: swimming pool, decks, ashes, landscaping, valuable papers, currency, personal belongings in your basement, living expenses if you cannot live at home. If you need to move into a hotel or rent an apartment while contractor repairs your home after a flood, you'll have to pay those expenses yourself. Vehicles. NFIP insurance won't cover cars or other self-propelled vehicles. However, if you have comprehensive insurance on your auto policy, the coverage should pay for flood damage. Private insurance tend to offer more coverage options and fewer exclusion. For instance, Neptune and Aon Edge can cover some expenses if you need to move out of your home during repairs. They also pay for swimming pool repairs or cleanup. Do I need flood insurance? Some people are required to buy flood insurance. For example, many mortgage lenders require homeowners in high-risk flood zones to buy flood insurance in order to get a loan. And if the federal government has given you grants or other flood assistance in the past, you must have flood insurance to qualify for similar aid in the future. If having flood insurance is not a condition of your mortgage, you don't have to carry it. However, even a small amount of flooding can cost you a lot of money. 1 foot of water could cause more than $29,000 in damage to a 1,000 square foot home. You can use the NFIP tool to estimate how much a flood may cost you based on the size of your home. The NFIP average claim payout has been more than $36,000 through June in fiscal year 2022, according to the NFIP. And it's not just people in the riskiest areas making claims. About 40% of NFIP claims from 2015 to 2019 came from policyholders outside high-risk flood areas. So the time is up, and the article will be continued to read on the next video. So bye bye, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.